Good morning, beautiful people. Ontarian here, passive income guru. How's everyone doing? It seems like it's been forever since I came on live here, but briefly this morning, I want to talk to you about Forex trading. Forex trading. This is going to be one of my focuses for the next 90 days, okay? The next 3 months. As you guys know, if you don't know, I work in increments of 90 days. Okay, so when I uh, when I start something, I give it my all for 90 days, and then I at the end of 90 days, I regroup, look at what I need to improve, look at what I need to tweak and make better. Okay, and then I proceed. Okay, for 90-day increments. Now, 90 days is a magical number because it helps you to develop momentum. Most of all, it helps you to develop, if you're consistent, more skills. Of course, you're going to be increasing your learning. So that's what I'm going to be doing with Forex. Forex is one thing that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you guys some what system I'm using here in just a bit. Also, I'm going to be tapping into a new marketing strategy, which is dealing with Bing. Okay, I always wanted to learn and master Bing. And then those two are the main things. Of course, everything else is still in play. My direct mail business is going strong, still going strong. Every day I take a trip to the mailbox to drop off more mail, to pick up more mail. That's kind of been the DMO every single day. Stuffing envelopes. Okay, so I am full force with direct mail. Of course, I'm still full force with my other online businesses, but I want to take a different spin, a different route for the next 90 days and really focus on new skills. Okay, as you guys know, as entrepreneurs, we're always evolving, we're always learning, we're always growing. And if you're not doing that, you're going to get to a point where you become stagnant in your business. Okay, you're going to become stagnant. You're going to become complacent. So you don't want that. You want to always have you always want to be open to learning. And Forex is something that I've always been interested in. Actually, a couple of years ago, believe it or not, I got trained by a really good Forex trader. She's not online as much anymore, but she's very good at what she does. She taught me the basics of Forex, what to look for, and what I'm going to show you here in a bit, in literally less than a minute, is a system that I've tapped into dealing with Forex. Now, the system, of course, is Forex trading, but the hybrid, this system I'm going to show you is fire. Okay. As you guys know, I placed a trade. If you didn't know, last night I placed a trade because I saw a fantastic setup. Okay. The hybrid is designed to help you in your probabilities of trade. It's going to help you if you follow the rules. This is key here. Disclaimer: Forex is all about following the rules. It's not about being greedy. You can't come in here and think you're going to make $10,000 overnight, folks. You're really going to mess some things up for you. Okay, you can blow your account in minutes if you don't know what you're doing. So following the rules is key. Being patient is key. Focus is key. Consistency is key. Okay. Another disclaimer: you're not going to win every single trade. You're not going to win every single trade in Forex. Okay. My results that I'm going to show you here in this live trade are not typical. Okay. Your results are going to vary. So I have to put those disclaimers out there. Okay. So let's check it out. Let's see what we got here. All right. Let me turn my camera around. All right. Here we go. All right. So this is my chart here. Of course. This is the hybrid system. You see some arrows, you see dots and things like that, right? So as you can see here, we are in profit. Okay, we are in profit right there. Okay, this is a real live trade. It's a live account. Right here, okay, this is the power of this system right here. Now, let me just show you before I show you what's going on with the dots. You see this green line right here? This is where I got into the trade, okay? Now, why did I get into this trade? The reason I got into this trade is look at the trend line, okay? We got a trend line right here from this dot all the way to this dot. What happened, what I was looking for was a bearish momentum, which is which means the market is going to be selling off, selling down, okay? But I was looking for a bearish momentum to break this trend line, and it did, okay? Soon as it did, I did not get in. I waited for a couple of candles to close, okay? That's confirmation. And then I got in right here. And I've been in this trade ever since, folks. As you can see from the profits here, okay? Now, this pair right here is my favorite pair. This pair is Euro JPY, EJ for short. I like EJ. We've built a pretty good relationship. The other key to Forex, folks, is not trying to trade every pair, okay? Pick you one pair or maybe at the most two that you're going to focus on and stick with those. EJ is my pair, okay? Now, let me explain a little bit more here to you. I'm on the hour chart. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see that. See that? I'm on the hour chart. And here's what I'm looking for, okay? Now, this dot right here, this dot is dealing with the Elliott wave. Okay, I don't have time to explain that. Okay, we have that. We explain all that stuff to you in our course. Okay, in the course. But the Elliott wave is designed. This dot is designed to show you where the market is about to start to shift. Okay, as you see right here. Okay, now I'm on the hour chart. The hour chart, any of the time frames, hour and above, are very accurate. In when it comes to trend trading. Okay, a lot of you guys probably know about trend trading, but the higher the time frame, the more pertinent or the more consistent the trend, as you can see here. Okay, now we got the dot. And the market started to come down. It broke the trend line, started to come down. Now, here's what I'm looking for. You see the color coordination here? You see this line here in the middle? You got red here, which represents the bullish. And you got blue, which represents the, bearish. And then the blue represents the bullish. Now, this is what I'm looking for. This is what's going to really make me excited because it's starting to happen. This is our... I forgot what that was called, actually. I talked about it yesterday. But moving average, okay? Moving average right here. I'm waiting on this candle right here to close below the moving average, folks, which I believe is going to do it because look at this. Look at this. We got the MACD is below. The momentum, as you can see, is below, okay? Below this zero here. That's what I want. So confirmation number one is the dot. Confirmation number two for me was to break the trend line. Confirmation number three, which I got in early, okay, because of the trend line. Confirmation number three is for this thing, for the bearish, to close below this moving average. And when it does that, I know it's going to continue down because we have the momentum right here. And if you go to the let's go to the 4-hour chart, show you even more confirmation. I like to go to the 4-hour chart. So if I go to the 4-hour chart, right here. Okay, here we go. This is the 4-hour chart, even more confirmation, okay? There's that trend line. It broke that trend line, starting down. You see the market is starting to shift, and that's what we want, okay? That's exactly what we want. But most of the time when I trade the hybrid, which I just started back, okay, I am looking at the hour chart, okay? And then actually, let's drop down to the 30-minute. 30-minute chart, you see, boom, trend line right there, broke that trend line. Look, we even got the confirmation arrow that it was going down, okay? And it now is below the moving average, and we are looking for continuation down, okay? Some of this probably not making sense to you guys. That's okay. Again, we have a course that is going to teach you all of this. We have a course that's going to teach you this exact same strategy that I'm showing you right now, okay? So as you can see, we are in profit, folks. I'm going to ride this out. Now, my stop loss, I am going to move down, okay? I'm going to move my stop loss down probably, well, it's in here somewhere now. I'm going to move it down. I have a trailing stop loss that I'm doing, okay? Trailing stop loss. I'm going to move my stop loss down. That way I'm, going to secure the bag. You heard that before. Secure the bag, okay? And that's what I'm going to do, okay? So, guys, if you want to learn this skill, if you want to know what passive income really is, this is passive income, okay? Passive income, this is a form of passive income. This is really, really passive income because you're not talking to nobody. You're not marketing or setting up sales funnels. Turn this camera around here. So with this, you're not, this is passive. This is, again, you're not talking to no one. You're not setting up sales funnels. You're not setting up autoresponders. It's you in the chart. It's you in the chart. And the only thing that's separating you, that's going to separate you from being able to do this is time, okay? But when you master this skill one time, all it takes is mastering this skill one time, okay? You just think about it. You can just you in the charts every day, and you can pass this skill on down to your family for generations to come. Pass the skill on. Pass the skill on. That's what it's about. This can very well be, what it's going to be for me, your exit strategy. Okay, it can be your exit strategy. This can be the thing that can really help you walk away from your job. If you want to do that, but it's not going to happen overnight. If you're an entrepreneur like myself, this can be the thing that you focus on for, like I am, for the next 90 days. Okay. Still going to be doing my other businesses. Of course, they are still running 24/7. But this is going to be the thing that is going to eventually, one day I want to just travel the world. I mean, my wife and I, and we're on our way to somewhere far on our second wedding anniversary, folks. So eventually I want to have things working for me 24. I mean, of course my business is going to be working for me 24/7, but I want to be able to, one day just say, hey, maybe I'm just talking now, folks. Just listen to me. Listen, I'm just talking future here. I'm not talking right now, but one day, this is my vision. My vision is one day I can have people buy shares in my business, or open up a call center for my business to continue to thrive. That way I'm able to focus on trading. Okay. I'm just talking. This is just my idea. Okay. This is my vision. This is what I see. This is what we do as entrepreneurs, folks. We're always thinking. We're always thinking. We're always growing. We're always expanding. We're always evolving. We're always looking to, increase our education. Okay. So exit strategy means, number one, it's gonna help you quit your job. Or number two, as an entrepreneur, it's gonna help you slow down a little bit. It's gonna help you to kind of put the car on cruise control for a bit. You know what I'm saying? So that's me. Now, direct mail, you guys know I do direct mail heavily now. That's another cruise control deal for me because I have other people. I have one person in particular doing the hard stuff in my direct mail business. Stuffing, folding, all of that. I have that done for me every day. All I do is take the finished product and go to the post office and drop it off. Okay, so cruise control is what I'm thinking. Call center. Maybe have someone invest in the business. Of course, you guys know I just got my LLC. So Prodigy Marketing Online LLC is in effect. That is the business. Passive Income Guru is the brand. Okay, if you guys want to know what the tiered, how it's all layered out, and then under the company, we have various ways for people to make passive income. Okay. And my goal is to help you increase your skill set first. Because once you have, the more skills you have, if no one has ever told you, the more skills you have, the more money you will make. Did you know that? The more skills you have, the more knowledge that you have, the more money you will make. So Forex is just one of those things that it's a skill. It's something that I believe every entrepreneur should learn. And there is my, that's what I was looking for. I'm glad you guys are here with me. Check this out. This is what I was looking for. I got an alert for a short. Okay, I got an alert for a short. And look what just happened. Confirmation number 4. Okay, look. Confirmation number 1, the dot. Confirmation number 2, broke the trend line. Confirmation, what I say, number 4. Confirmation number 3, the arrow. Now, confirmation number 4, it actually happened. Look at that. What I just tell you guys? It actually happened. So the market closed. So if you want to be more of a conservative trader, you would have got into the trade right there at that arrow. Okay? Right there at that arrow. You would have got in. Since I know I have some knowledge about trading, I know what to look for a lot of times in trading. Okay? Not saying I'm a perfect trader, not saying I'm a master trader. I'm still learning. Okay? You would always be learning. I knew that once the market broke the trend line that I could possibly get in. And that's what I did after I saw confirmation. Okay. So this is exciting because guess what? Now it's below the moving average. And look at the volume on the MACD. Look at that. Look at that. So that's what I'm excited about right there. Powerful, guys. I'm glad I stayed on long enough for you guys to see that. I didn't know that was going to happen right away. I didn't know. And that's on the hour chart. You know how exciting that is. That gets me very excited. Okay. So, that's it, guys. That's it. That's what I want to share with you. Show you one more time that we are still in profit. That's going to go up. Okay. We're in profit. We love it. We like blue. We'll take blue, baby blue all day. All blue. All day. All right. So there we go, folks. That is the system right there. That's the system right there. Okay. And you see the accuracy. See the accuracy. White dot. Market went up. There's that confirmation arrow. Market went up. White dot. Market starts to come down. Confirmation arrow. Boom. And I expect this to go beyond, because hey, on the 4-hour chart, it's looking real nice. Let me go to the 4-hour chart real quick. Then I'll let you guys go. On the 4-hour chart, I like the way it's looking, especially this right here. Especially this right here. I like the way that's looking right there. Okay, it broke that trend line. Confirmation candles, we love it. And I think this thing is going to go down much, much further because of that confirmation, even on the 4-hour chart. Okay, and look at that. It's below the moving average. Okay, that candle's below the moving average. So that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you're as excited as I am. Now, if you've been wanting to learn Forex, you just been wanting to get into this and learn the skill, get the right tools, get the right strategy. I'm telling you right now, we have what you need. We have what you need. And again, this is passive income. You're not building funnels, you're not marketing, you're not buying solo ads, you're not mailing out anything. It's just you and the charts and skill. And if you can commit to learning this skill and following a few rules, you can make this work. Okay. Now let me just say this. This is not IML. This is not iMarkets Live. I'm not with that company. This is UOP FX, Unit of Prosperity. If you want more information, I will leave a link here as well. And also it's going to be on YouTube. Below the video, you can check out the link. But if you want to learn more about how to trade, you want to learn more about this system. P.S. And by the way, we have an auto trader. Let me say that one more time, because I know you guys like hands-free profits. We have an auto trader as well. So if you want to, tap into the auto trader while you're learning, you can do that. Okay. So you can go to tradewithontarian.com. That's tradewithontarian.com for more information. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, guys. I got a lot of people to get back to today. So let's trade. Let's trade and chill. Let's Forex trade and chill. All right. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll be in touch. God bless. Talk to you soon.